We started in Paris, we ended in Istanbul. Thinking about what the terrain has been like is it's just blended. So it's gone from flat along the river to slightly hilly to more hilly. We've gone through sophisticated France, efficient Germany, super efficient Austria, Slovakia. Well, we were in Slovakia a very short time, but that was great. Hungary, a little bit different language completely. We then went to Romania. The hills have been spectacular. The villages have been great. The kids have been friendly. And then Bulgaria. I liked Bulgaria. Seemed a little bit more neater and a bit more organized. And now we're in Turkey, the minarets and the call to prayer. That's been pretty much an eye-opener. It's been a fantastic experience from the culture of Western Europe to really almost the Middle East. My name is Jeff and I'm riding the Orient Express.